A for apple, red and sweet. B for ball, we love to beat. C for cat, that says meow. D for dog, that guards the house. E for elephant, big and tall. F for fish, swimming in a pool so small. G for goat, that loves to play. H for hen, that lays eggs every day. I for ice cream, cold and nice. J for jug, filled up with ice. K for kite, flying high and free. L for lion, king of the tree. M for mango, juicy and bright. N for nest, a bird's delight. O for orange, round and sweet. P for parrot, we love to meet. Q for queen, with crown so fine. R for rabbit, soft like pine. S for sun, shining all day. T for tiger, that loves to play. U for umbrella in the rain. V for van on the lane. W for watch, tells time so well. X for x-ray, bones can tell. Y for yak, with hair so long. Z for zebra, black and white, strong.
अपना इंडिया गोल्डन बुक्स का दीवाना गोल्डन बुक्स को अपनाना अपना इंडिया गोल्डन बुक्स का दीवाना